Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. Gosh, it's good seeing you again. Gary.Christiance, the van guy. Of course, you can visit me on Facebook. Just look up the van guy. Today, 2013 Pleasureway Excel wide body, 20 feet long, V8 engine. They quit making this because Ford discontinued the chassis. It was their most popular model that they had in production. And the reason why is it's 20 feet and it's got a king-size bed. Yeah, I know. Come on in. I'll show you. I went ahead and turned the passenger seat around. The driver's seat does swivel around as well, so you can use that as your living room, leave your bed made down. So I just push the button, collapse the couch, which is ultra leather with memory foam. And this is in the twin configuration. We've got a table up front, which I'll show you, that'll fill this space in. And then these two backrests fill in here for a king. A lot of people just opt to leave it the way it is and just have a nice twin. Very comfortable. You've got your flat screen here, DVD player. And as a bonus, you have a little inverter. That way you don't have to turn the generator on to power your 110 TV. If it's a quiet time, you don't have to worry about that if you're not plugged in. Got good storage across the back. And this is the nice compartment because it swings all the way open. There's a big space in the back for a lot of storage that you can easily get to. Heat pump, so you have heating and air conditioning if you're plugged in, or you're running your generator, which has 11 hours on it. You've got another one on this side. Good space all the way around. And moving into the galley area, good space up on top. Corian countertops, recessed sink, makes it easy to clean up. You can just brush it right in. Recessed 2-burner stove, all stainless steel behind. You got a fantastic fan, which works on a thermostat. So you can set this at nighttime, crack the windows open for ventilation, bring cool air in. When the temperature reaches your setting, it'll shut off. Very nice feature. This door is open because the battery disconnect switch is right here. Full extension on your drawers. Got a nice little refrigerator by Dometic. It's the old style. It's propane. It's a 3-way refrigerator. Another nice little storage in here. You've even got room for a small garbage can right in here. I said it was small, but it's a spot. We don't have a spot on ours. I'd be happy with that. Bathroom. Let's take a look at this. Nice vanity. Shower head, of course, is hooked into the sink. You do have a medicine cabinet. Window for ventilation, privacy screen. They even put a little makeshift shelf in here. Curtain does come all the way around and block this off with Velcro tabs. And of course, this is an emergency take a shower, which you're going to go in, rinse, turn it off, scrub, and then rinse it off to conserve your water and your tank capacities. Very nice, comfortable bathroom. And they can only do this because this is a wide body. It's just a few inches bigger on each side, which I'll show you outside. Of course, microwave up above here. Nice big closet. So you've got a big table for the rear, and it's got all the remotes and extra keys. This is to make it into a king bed. And then you have another table hiding right down here. So when you're using this, the captain's and co-pilot seat up front to sit and eat and dine and watch TV or visit, then you have a small table so people can get in and out. We're getting ready to go outside. I'm going to turn off the disconnect, which conserves your battery. I want you to take, before you go outside, I want you to take a look at this huge area up on top. Nice big storage area. These were the little foil deals that I took out of the windows to bring some light in. Monitor panels up here with your generator start switch. Your light controls are down here as you enter. You can pop them on so you can see. I always go out backwards. That way you don't slip and don't bang your head. Even if you're 6'7", you can come out backwards and not feel uncomfortable. Here's that little wide body. They actually cut off this van. It's got old roll cage construction. I've got all the information, still safe from when we carried this product. Patio light. This is the vent for your refrigerator. Service entrance, battery on a little slide out. Furnace. It has a backup furnace, so if it gets cold out, you can use your furnace. So this is an intake and exhaust. 110 outlet. We've got a little storage area down here on both sides. Both doors open quite wide. And then you can see the huge storage area underneath. And it's accessible from the front, so you can put part of your items in to be retrieved when you're inside, and the other ones when you want to do something outside. Nice mount on the air conditioner, recessed in, all in one piece. The only seam that you've got is just joining the bottom and the top. 1-ton chassis. Here's that other little storage compartment. Water fill, hot water heater. That's a direct spark ignition. Push the button and a light for you. Sewer hose. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Now your dump station for this one's easy to get to. You got your hose back here, your dump's right here, and your handles are close by, so you don't have to get on your nose, or in my case with an artificial knee, it makes it harder to get down there. It's very easy. Generator's right here. It's got a remote start switch inside. This compartment just opens it up so you can check it if you want to. I've had a lot of people just take it into Jiffy Lube, and when the guy's underneath, you can change the oil on the generator at the same time. This is just one of many units that we have in stock. This is a rare find. This one's got a great price on it. I know you're going to have some questions, so just call the van guy. You don't have to remember Gary, just the van guy. You can call me at 541-554-9581. Appreciate your time. Look forward to working with you.